Okay, this is a follow-up on that texture that I made this morning. Um, and I just kind of finished messing with it. So what I did is I took that texture, if you recall, just look at the other video. I took it into sampler, 3D sampler, Substance 3D sampler. It's a brilliant program. And I didn't even know I had it, but it's like I'm working with somebody who allows me to. I'm like an employee, I guess, so I get to use this whole Adobe kind of suite, and I only use Photoshop and After Effects and Illustrator, but on the internet, like I was just looking for ways to get this thing done and so on and so forth, and et cetera, and I ran across this. I ran across a YouTube talking about this sampler and how it works, and I was like, "Oh, this is perfect, exactly what I need." So I was able to pull off height maps, you know, normal map, all that other stuff. I couldn't quite get an alpha, but what I ended up doing is I took the alpha. I took a black and white image that was, I guess, I don't know what it was. I don't know. I just took a black and white image of it, and then I cut. Let's see. I can show you on here. So those are the maps. So I made this opacity map just by like taking Photoshop, you know, and then just like doing a fuzzy black on top of that. But I kept all of this stuff. So all that stuff is my alpha. And then what I did is I took that alpha and then I made a light source out of it. So it's like it's got a black body emission with a light source on that. That's power is here. So I can bump it up if I want. And then, yeah. But I have to say it looks really cool. And I mean, this is given the fact that it's like I'm not really crazy about the texture. It was just, you know, it was what it was. I mean, if anybody's done Midjourney, it is the rabbit hole of all rabbit holes. I mean, you could spend hours and you don't know when to stop. And it's like, is that good? Should I go on? You know, sometimes it's like, oh, it's perfect, don't touch it. You know, but I like the fact that it's like, you know, it's art that you don't have to own. That it's not like you have to be like, well, I did this and you know, I dabble a little bit in this stuff. Look how amazing my crap is. It's like, you know, it's a perfect way to make something that potentially could be brilliant. But if it's not, it's like it's not your fault. It's not your fault, and it's not your. You didn't do anything. You can't take responsibility for its beauty, and you could shove off the fact that it's probably crap. But nevertheless, you know, it's a vehicle. It's a vehicle for this, you know, and I'm offering it to you guys, I guess. And it's like I need to kind of like, you know, I could mess around with it a bit more. And I'm realizing I like recording these, not because I want to start a career as a YouTube person, but I'm really forgetful. I'll go down these rabbit holes and figure something out, and then, you know, 3 months later, I don't know how, you know, and I can open up the file and then look at it and kind of go, yeah, I don't know what was going on. Idiots are Vaughn, I think. I think brilliance comes out from somewhere other than my brain. And, but, you know, yeah. So you guys enjoy. I'll talk to you later.